So once you have come to a stage where you know that this property can be taken as security, the next step is actually creating the security. Now, how do you actually create security? Is by signing an agreement. Now, there are various ways in which mortgage can be created. You can have a simple mortgage, an equitable mortgage, registered mortgage, English mortgage, etc. But the most common form of mortgage that housing finance companies in India use is equitable mortgage. Equitable mortgage means that a person who's creating the mortgage is handing over the title documents which we've just seen to the housing finance company as security. So the housing finance company will hold these documents in its custody till the loan is repaid completely. And for this, he will sign an agreement where it will be stated that the documents are being deposited with the housing finance company and that the HFC will have a right to take over the property and to enforce the security and liquidate in case the loan goes into default. In certain states, there is also a concept of registered mortgage, where this document is registered with the sub-registrar's office, which we discussed. In Maharashtra, you have a concept of IGR. IGR says that once you've created this mortgage by deposit of title deeds, you go and inform the registrar's office that this mortgage has been created, and the registrar's office will take note of that, so that when someone else goes to do a title search, that person will come to know that yes, there is a mortgage which is subsisting on this property. Correct? Apart from the IGR, you also need to do something called as a SERSAI filing. SERSAI is again a government authority which maintains a record of all the mortgages which are created on a particular property. Every bank or every financial institution has got a login whereby they can log into the portal and verify the charges which are subsisting. So even in case where there is no registered mortgage, the bank or financial institution can go to the website and verify whether this property is free of encumbrance or no. The other thing is that if this mortgage is created by a company, that company will have to go to the MCA website, which is the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and file a form called CHG1, Charge 1, where they'll inform the ministry saying that this is a property that belongs to the company and a charge has been created in favor of this particular finance company. This again will be a public record, and anyone can go to the website of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and verify whether there is a charge which is subsisting or not.